afternoon, good every day. Hey, into one subscriber, I said, do it, baby. Okay, sure. Name of my new made it, and say, strong mind, someone you know. Aquafia, me there, friend, strong mind, or rapping. Aquafia, also, success nation, near money beefy, and talk on your money kubi, what I say. And till we're free on it, you never got up so beefy sacrancasm. As all company. And also, Saturday no bejai. Saturday no bejai, because nanny John. So I say, oh no, who beef in say beef no, and no one had a here quitting into having beefy, no, or I style, so I say. This young man is all couldn't talk on Munyano, couldn't talk on Munya, Joseph, no. Then level, no, what I say. Munchana Mono on your night. I feel uncle, BB Abby. Seven prophet and your gazer. I could yet see I make any was any. Dear, yes, you are cool, like me, I'm doing a style. Was I come and say prophecy be a fair, William and say fake and I say, dear Bamber. Or say, fear you to me, fear dear. Why shouldn't come? Prophecy will be. And on a comfort, a cockable something, baby, I will jam. No other one you say, when you're Jimmy Howina, or Pen Crown, or one banana, or case young with your Jimmy all day. Call for a prophet, Kokubun, some say, let you guess in him, maybe be 12 hours, lie obey charity. Obey charity, they are going to mind. So I say, Tinamana, you get Shikaka. Share away what the Bible does not mean, quick, name them subscribing. Subscribing, I'm saying, presiding, subscribing.
Obey video, no, am I? Obape. Momodian say we share video no dia den eti aman say the video no e be ko viral enyema because of Ghana ha say ya na menti ase ye wasofu ni wo Ghana ha ya this is the time sa sofu ni nyina e wo se omusua nyansa common sense ye ka say common sense ya they have to listen and learn common sense. Mr. Ghana for Muntin Yipa, I'm very serious. And this is not break of funds. And this is not joking. I'm very, very serious. Ghana so funwa. This is the time I also share common sense. Common sense. Pa your friend say common sense. This is the time I also share common sense. Oh, Ghana me that be America. Ghana nkwana abeti se sofo. Ebe se nkoma. Enkwasiankom hye sebe asofu ni besenkom enkwasiankom hye Ghana ha sei na asofu ni besenkom enkwasiankom hye nkwana aka asofu ni Ghana ha sei enkwasiankom hye nkwana because washa obienu wa den beko court obienu wa be no he obi etinjehu ejijimi na asofu ni Ghana ha ana omu jimi yetimi nka o kan yesori e konfo woni nyansa abososo enkwasiasem Jamfa busosum to nchei nefa bibia to nchei se wasofo timatena ho aka se obi bewu ewa abra coronavirus abaga na ha yenya no duru coronavirus ba ya asofo nyina so da tutum moti Ghana ha mo ntima anya hwe amfa coronavirus ho ye Ghana ha na MPP panipa ye owu na anu yayi obewu mo ntima nyi hu yiche mo ntima hwaya mo ntima kan ho he ana wodi yeden wodi wuyi bra ye Ghana ha ana ya die kolonari abeje fago konyanum abeje emaya boso Ghana ha ye hu he na yo sofu na bi wa no du miensa we sofu obi onu du miensa obi bewu mame ka se mi kire mo ya mente nipa bi ase asofo no sa degregezi ase jamregezi no minia tio me kam wanso ate we are opinion leaders ye kase opinion ye di domani mesamo wa beba bi ase video no mun share video no ma me papa mun share video na obi bia enkoto obi bia wo seto no hwe bible se onyankopon na sumasem eye ntro dia na to se ensima sofo no kan nyina no no kore na onyankopon no asem se nkante no fanu neba na twafie etwa abonten dia na onyamia no asem yemfa ni agoro mun share video no sofia twaka se afia ebewu sere ebo ni wuye no kwan na beche bo asase so osofo o ma me no papa egu ho wo mi de omu wo busha fo egu ho wo mi de omu obi ebewu everybody is gonna die enti wu se san kwase sebe wan fa dwena nto ho nyankopon bia nka nkire wo na jiragezi se ka ti afia so obewu sa na kwase abako eka se mi ba bewu kwase bia komde no osu babu na nusuo se twafo osu mi na gwa musa babu nyana meti ye Facebook live o ma musu mienu afi kwa na ho efe mo ba mko esa video no na mo esa video ubo se afi na ho efe meti ni kwa afi na atente he nature ni amedia hwe asofuru bi jimi Ghana ha na yanko Jeremia odifo Jeremia homa no Jeremia chapter 14 verse 14 Obiafa Bible Jeremiah 14 verse 14 eke se ade asofuru ye no afia bia no obewu enkwase akeka ana aka om enkwase akeka wo mi di na mi won ko kete so yiri mo mu ndi o ma ni abegire ho na we ebewu woni no si na ebewu mento sebe enkwase asem ena mu jimi Ghana na America ko bia be situ eya America ko bia situ kwa kama kawa beti se sound mude munkwa na mubanko emso manko Bible school na oba Christian council so ya mi hu de omoye oba Christian council fo mi hu de omoye Jeremiah chapter 14 verse 14 obi afi Bible no nkenka ho obi fo Jeremiah chapter 14 verse 14 then the Lord then the Lord said to me, the prophet prophesies lies in my name. I have not sent them. I have not before you mean to spell it. I protected them as a dear ben, and speak unto them. They prophesies unto you a false vision and decision and revelation with your own mind. Yet say Bible say asofo mesra mo amutu copy quotation di gu comment na se mo copy bi ngo ma mpira to mesra ma mo copy quotation no enfa ngo ma mesra ma mo copy da me blog no ye mentimi di kai wow sofu Nigeria guys Kokika Jeremiah chapter 23 Jeremiah chapter 40 verse 14 sofu Nigeria guys and so concern once again and so who tell who tell who ye cham onyankopon dinu bibia nya kwarare da abaya no me ne to wo wasiso wo manipa tete nipa manipa nije woni ania me ba sa kwaji obdepam bede etwanyum ebonyum ninyo ba kudu wati wado usi banye kra me pra sala medo meti kra no mawu nansenfu enu na braba sema so fu idie test so bi na grebezi asije grebezi masa I want to tell you the truth and the truth shall make you free. Today I don't care about it. If I die tomorrow I don't care about it. Mude mumu o truth mo so mom go di bone na ka ebony wo kwa na ka wo driver no na ka ebony ewu driver no mu enti no de na mo awre ya kan da ho so share the video da ho so pa kofu ya ka say da ho so o driver if you don't trust the guy don't let him drive your own car may catch your brain omu disika eto amanfo adwene omu disika eto amanfo adwene with the driver be careful for your driver if you don't trust that car second away drive for yourself me tell the BNM kokuma say am drive me car mani kum na mduru obofo no madam ma bra meda say me duru ginka su no ma bra meda me no bi ankosa contract say me konkan ya nipa no driver ma ha mani sei me te front o ye ro famia me driver budima me chima ko de ko shaka me chima firuzam me so bra open your eyes clear be smart don't trust anyone obi ya tete kwa be twanye obi di drink obi tutu di onu wasa inject drink no enye na me say so me kokwa na se so be chemse yi tukuma mo woni na wawurai afia me de me na ko gbusa na me kasa no because of my me basa akodi opepombe matulu badi ntimi ba no me yada no settle no I love this guy so much. That's why the birthday I told Sarkodie that they're going to call Sarkodie to do international music. Remember, ama every time you see bring a media come, I tell the truth and the truth shall make me free. Me I don't care about anything. If they say they are prophet, then the prophet is good. Hey, Oba Nyako, Nyako Brother, oh for them preach you. If they say they are prophet, whereby the prophet is good. Me and also some question ko gumun sam obeja abosonsom no som no be bokun kas e wa so dem Morris yeah Mr. me brother Morris na aba no Estate Junction am ton gas obi anim me chi ba bia me free na nyame apenya awura di na duru ba bi good level ene obeja say an ana afia oba biwu ana hwahwani hwan ne be kire bo asase so oso bi na jagezi hwan na be kire bo e wa asase so wo bu so nipa ngu ada na ayi hiani o te klase makura mu ade mo hye ne honkom enkom se Bible say wo nipa deseni ade Nyankopon ni je ho pa ne se wo diboye ni besa kira edi kwakubu nsama muwai na yesi kwakubu nsama sakra me bo na jagezi konka kirigungungurika ewa sorry them. That is the good thing Nyankopon wope. Anya nkom se ni se obeche nkom da bia na obi bewu ana obi bewu mu se nkom a address yo beba Ghana da ana mo tira che nkom se o mampanyi na na do dan kwa kufu ado obemi etia light she light e o me dey ba si amaso ehwemsui ani Facebook live mintia na wo se kamo se nkom se o mampanyi na na do dan kwa kufu ado what light no ko be me agamu free eno nko se na mo se eye se enkwasi ankom se obi bewu da bia mo se enkwasi eni enkwasi akom se wo sofu bia be se nkom se obi bewu bia ye kwasi asema kwa nanadu na hotisen ye mo fa asema fe kuso o sofu bia be se nkom se obi enkwasi akom se Bible so on sima wom Jeremiah chapter 40 verse 14 Jeremiah chapter 40 verse 14 Bible simi ka che na jagezi so won soma no Onyankopon so won soma no Okay, Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 16 sha odi for Jeremiah ngoma no Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 16 Jeremiah 23 verse 16 for me Jeremiah 23 verse 16 Try Onyankopon yesi atwetwe o ya na ye me ya se me na ko gumu sam etore bia me hwe ekwan asofuru bi faso preach ya mo mompa me se Nyankopon se so ma me sika akra me TV station ni bi ogana na me bia TV station ni bia mo beti bobo ene sa se mo iti makoto phone na me phone no iPhone ni enti we ya me be Facebook live na makoto phone we si se me be Facebook live na se me Facebook a me phone na say iPhone bia mi so ani mu na krake na mkoto we say saga yesu be we got the mente asieda. Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 16. Obi bi afa Bible. Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 16. Jeremiah 23 verse 16. Obi afa Bible. Oba, share the video and God will really bless you. Jeremiah 23 verse 16. Magasi ajimo Ghana ha. Kwasi asem 23 wen. And the 16 so wen. 23 verse 16. This is what the Lord said, Almighty says. Do not listen to what the prophets prophesies unto you. They fill you with fear hopeless. They speak a vision from their own mind. Jeremiah 23, Jeremiah chapter 14, verse 14. More fasi obanyako. Yewlade. Yankopon shiraw. Yankopon shiraw. Yankopon shiraw. Yankopon shiraw. Me say Onyankopon se afia so Onyankopon so be wu a koku dadada wodan na yam nuku no enye wo no be ya kire afia mo ani na ho afia wo brother unia bema wo kunu na na koku busa na mekasa na afia mo si mo ani na ho open your eyes clear every single fool mo am you smart guys obi to drink kwa bro said man obi to drink afia obi to drink kwa said benuma menum afia open your eyes please anomanis mabungo toje mesraw mabungo toje o hwe mi ntantro e Onyankopon anim da menani mabungo toje na me no kasa no so afia I love your music so much and I love you so much and I like you so much. We don't want to lose you. Said everybody who ya your susu Ghana hano ye bese bibesi na nkofo ye smart. Wo mo tena se planane se so wi be wu a kwa mo fa so be wu mo fa so mo wu because they have secret society, they have occult, they have secret room that they do their things. Nobody will see it. I tell the truth. I swear to Almighty God. Me come upon a new town drug that. If you want to know, pass out Diagura, I go with you. With Diablo, what's your phone? Me do me. Wabos will look with your. What I'm saying is that there's one person in Ghana here, share the video. There's one person in Ghana here who said that one of our artists is going to pass away. But the pastor is a fake. She's not true man of God. Every true man of God does not going to do all these things. If you're a true man of God, you are not going to do this fake predictions. Say, and we will win your mini pa. And because I say, my father will be saying, you would the protest, and yet will be saying, you go. It will win your mini pa, dear. It is a woody and it is a win your mini pa. Bible says, concept one, I can. Okay, Jeremiah, man for Bible also. Your Bible will be good, I say. As often as I do, or make it to me. About the Bible, never. Do quite a bit about Jeremiah, no, I see. Say, fear do. A fear may say, oh, driver, if you don't trust your driver, don't let him to drive you. May catch you pretty far. Mirabeko, Jeremiah chapter 23. Verse 32, and salute to trouble to 23:32. Jeremiah 23, verse 32. Jeremiah chapter 23, verse 32. But behold, I am against them that prophesies false dreams, said the Lord. Do tell them and cause my people to by their likeness. Wow. Their lioness a tropa ti odifo na jagezi misraw mudie muda so ya na ma pa na Yankopon yi kire hwe mira fi quotation bi e numbers ese numbers chapter 3 verse 8 Bible si odi fo bie ni ho Nyankopon hu da gise ne servant Moses so fu bie ni Ghana ha hu Nyankopon da so fu bie ni Ghana ha wo hu Nyankopon da wo boa siri hu so bi si yami bie mani mahu no o hu efa na dia be ku na difa kile bia na me ka obofo ase obofo tell the truth say Nyankopon bie when na Nyankopon bie ni won say video no wo Nyankopon bie ni wo he kwasi asem na ka boko America menu aba ko na baso no mokwa mosemu akwanche na mo achipo mu kwete na ba ko mbe bugwa na mo ton mo ba mo beton atofo no mko America ko ekusi de mo beton parking lot no ayi your friend W mini no pa ne ho na Ghana asofo no mko amose mo akwanche tomo 20 bars ere koma osuti resum to 10 bars na amanfo to omba no mabra bugu ho seni aton agent ba ko so o me life na mle fini din na se on frefem tini din kwa mle fini me ka che mu pray fa se ka che Bible say kom na se ne tro kom tro Bible ka yo Jeremiah chapter 14 wono yen ka Jeremiah chapter 23 verse 16 23 verse 16 was it that said the Lord of hosts, hearken not to the words of the prophets that prophesies unto you. They make you vain. They speak a vision with their own heart, not out of the mouth of the Lord. Tidagagezi asana kan ni firi Nyankopon ho. E firi Nyankopon ho kra. Every Nyankopon asafo Nyankopon ebi Bible ni o we ye kofi huma etire miensa. This is the Bible, the word of God. We ye bosu masem ni eka. We are talking as brothers and sisters. Edi unsem na woka no ana mo se ngona Mahama bewe Akufo Addo bewe ni ana we be say eni nyina ye eselu tutwabutu no wa anwene ana akwankyera mkyere mo anyinti ne mo anwene saa we di afia de ndenye saa o afia wo munne enwu kyina wa wo brother na nakwaku nsam na make asa no afi me say you are not gonna die today and you are not gonna die tomorrow obe nyina che enye tse ebon die ni bi enye tse ebon die ni bi da Onyankopon tumi wo so me ba no kra ne bo nyum ni ti no onyame tumi wo so sa kodie obidi pombidi me presem sana mpewo so asem Ghana ha no one is above the law na ke America ana ka siya ka wosiwi ka tu ye de to be hweso ama wosietu na Ghana ha de obi kan freedom of speech obi kwatimi di president atemumu ade no fa no wadi free se na sa nipa na me de mesi de biam ko mesi nipa na wodi ayi ba Ghana ha no ha adwen pa sa constitution ho ne democracy constitution enye when running time pa nia baba papa de time nia education ana Ghana katie papa de time nia wo beta ka che obi bewu ana obi ayesi yetimi de Ghana share runners in sapa 5 weeks mamia 5 weeks and it takes 5 weeks pe kibu de because of Ghana. Yes, this money man is talking 5 weeks be kibu de because of Ghana ha Missel Tovine Jegezi come out sasa ma kan no anko yi me de me no you are my brother. I love you. Sometimes I listen to your preaching whereby you are preaching so good and then but this thing you say it I disagree with you. Me no nya adwene eno kra kan bro say me no nya adwene yes me no nya adwene kra me my mind and your mind is not collect is not equal. Me no nya yes. Yes. Ti o na ti sen. Already. Yeah, many abrepa o. Many abrepa. Eti Ghana for obi akodukotu no bi ma afia. Obo many family members. Na saa yi ni de Onyankopon be ya won transfer it back to sender. Say wo ne yesi eba no Onyankopon send no back to sender. Oni pa no woka wo no fa ko no na busuam. Yes. Yes. On fa wo no ko na busuam. Na se wo da. Ewo da. Ewo nye de wo. Hwe. Ewo ya papa. Na Ghana for bisa na di wo susu nipa. Da bi obi bewu. Da bi obi bewu. Da bi no obi bewu. Da bi no obi bewu. Da bi no obi bewu. Yeah, let's send you my number. I will send you my number. I will send you my number. The BOB. Every day somebody's gonna die. Why? Aden ana Ghana suffer. Coronavirus muti mompa ya mane nko eme ho ntoye. Coronavirus yo. Mosimu nyane wufuo muti fu ahumonu musayade. Coronavirus hu suffer Ghana hase wonya coronavirus oduru. Na wonder wa bompa ya Nyankopon ya chese coronavirus na ekọ. Yehu bi. Jise nkomtro ekoma enkoma mbesha mudibe ye no bi ye video ni ebomu de na mope. Ha? Ena mope. E de chire. Afia yomba kubo ya na emede. Me money sa na eja. Me fanje chire me re chire se onemia me basa akode enwom no. Mo ba ko bo wia afi nam da chire me re tese ewo ni de ihwemu Nyankopon di no. Ka chimpre ye prefa mo se hunu na mte odi no. Afia ofa ne kwaku bonzam wo so body jan hwe ni mo no kwasi asem ana Sofia koma Bible
akra bono abona sede. Subscribe to me. Me aso ni ja 7 de biareta.